Shree Trading Company. In 1964, Shree Trading Company was set up by the founders Mrs. K.L. Prabhavati and Mr. K.N. Lakshmi Narayana Shetty. It began with small scale by manufacturing raw agarbatti and subsequently added natural masala battis like Special Amber, Kasturi, Loban, Chandan in capacity of 100 kg per day. The elder son of founders, Mr. Harish KL, joined the enterprise in 1980s and introduced some familiar products of the period such as Yogeshwar Prarthana Mandir box tubes. The first Flora Batti was started in 1983 named Khazana, which gave the company a new identification as Khazana Wala, and it brought the company a marvelous success throughout India for its miracle flavor and spreading. In 1990s, Ayodhya Ram Mandir was introduced in scented agarbatti, achieved good sales to the company. The younger son of founders, Mr. Sanjay KL, joined the company in 1990s with new ideologies to bring the company forward. Shree Trading Company carries family-oriented business where the founders have 2 daughters and 2 sons who are all into business, and the total production of our company is done in-house. Together, the brothers began market analysis by bringing new range Flora agarbattis to the market with a product called Siddhi Ganesh. 2 years later, Jai Ambe was launched. These 2 products were generously accepted by the markets all over India and abroad. We are very proud of these 2 products. Even after 2 decades of launch, this is our one of the best selling product. And later, Nitya Puja, Gopi 100, Aryan and many more products were very succeeded. In the year 2000, we launched Mahavishnu 2-in-1 for Andhra Pradesh, which gave the company to stand in a superior position in that state. Subsequently, company produced products like Mahavishnu Zipper, Saffron Zipper, Golden Jubilee Pouch, Saffron Pouch, Mahadev, Shree Hexagon and Sairam, regular and economy. In the year 1993 and 2000, their spouse joined as a helping hands to the company in expansion and managing. In the year 2018, Mr. Suhas KH, grandson of Mr. Lakshmi Narayana Shetty, after completing his BBA, joined hands in expanding the organization and who has completed the course in fragrance and flavor development. In addition to gain more knowledge in managing and marketing, Mr. Suhas KH is pursuing his education now in abroad. Who are we? The nature lovers. It is true that we are the first to manufacture the natural Flora agarbattis in Bangalore with good quality in low budget to reach every nook and corner. Company's potential. Company with the immense of 18,000 square feet in-house in its own place, we take care of Flora Batti with a unique natural drying process to ensure the quality is perfect, which avoids fungus and burning issues of Flora Batti. Our aim, our focus, to serve natural floral agarbattis with economically priced range, not to use hazardous chemicals, not to use acids, no to child labor with all safety measures. Our units, our branches, the main factory, head office play an important role due to the maximum activities of the manufacturing takes place here. This factory has more than 100 plus of raw material which are required to create a new end-to-end product. Our main unit is a place where required materials get stored initially like covers, boxes, corrugated cartons, adhesive tapes, raw agarbatti, perfumery ingredients to create different perfumes, free gift items, etc. All these items addressed as raw material consumes lot of space and required to be maintained optimally. It is a place where the production starts and later processes at our branches and finally arrives as a finished product at our head office. Furthermore, most business activities such as administration, purchase, sales, marketing, scent development of perfume, and final production, etc. We thrive to hold successful good workforce with tenure resources having 25 years of experience on average in our factory, thus successfully maintain quality and ethical work culture. Our interaction at the office will be with the sales executives, service providers, suppliers, and walk-in customers. We started our first branch in 1998 called as Unit C, managed by Srimati M.S. Lakshmi Shankar, first daughter of the founder. This unit takes care of Florabatti rolling, Nurva making, coloring, etc. etc. Further, to fulfill the immense market demand and supply, we started another branch in 2002 called as Unit B, managed by Srimati Radhika Venkatesh Kumar, second daughter of the founder. This unit takes care of Florabatti rolling, drying, as warehouse, etc. etc. Our products, our fragrances help in increasing the concentration power of the individual. The aroma from our agarbattis helps in relieving mental and physical stress. Our coverage across India and overseas locations like South Africa, Sri Lanka, Moscow, Malaysia, and Mauritius. Our Team Head Office, Team Unit C, Team Unit B, Team West Bengal from Jan 2019 joined the fabulous team. Testimonials. To maintain a good relationship with the walk-in customers, we have dedicated a team assigned to handle the retail counters to ensure all the consumers are satisfied. This team will interact and collect valuable feedbacks of the walk-in customer. This will help us in improving our products as the sales takes place immediately once the product is ready. Also, we will share few samples of our new products, upcoming products to regular customers to get their feedback. By doing this, it helps us to know the quality and the elements that need to be added so that the customer is happy and also keeps us up to date.
Thank you